almost reaching the west gate of Algonquin Park. Hello again, guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're here at Algonquin Provincial Park in Ontario, Canada, and we're just coming over for the weekend, basically overnight, and we're hoping to, check out some of the wilderness, some of the wildlife around here. This park is full of moose. There are bear, the usual raccoons, coyote, wolf, all that kind of stuff. So all kinds of wildlife. It's the largest provincial park. I'm not sure about the largest, but it's the oldest provincial park in Canada. We're hoping to do a little canoeing tomorrow. Let's see how it goes. So yeah, let's go. So we just stopped on the way to our campground here at Western Uplands Backpacking Trail. I've done this backpacking trail many times years ago when I was younger. It's got about 3 loops. You can do a weekend loop. There's like a 35-kilometer shortest loop. Then I think the next one is 58. And the following one is around 80 kilometers, like for a whole week or more of hiking with your pack. So it's all backcountry camping. There's a lot of lakes along the way, and they have designated campsites. So basically, you walk this way, come off the main road. There's a parking lot over here for all the backpackers, and then you go over this bridge over our Oxtang River, and then you're in the wilderness. All the loops start and end over here. You can go to the right or to the left and do it one way, left to right or right to left. And basically this is what it is. Some of those backcountry sites, they also canoe in sites where people canoe and portage lake to lake, and then they just stay at those same designated sites. So this is the map of the trails. Here's the highway, the main highway going across the park. And then we're around here right now, over this river. So then this is a short loop. You have the longer loop, 50 odd something kilometers, and then this whole thing here. You'll also have access from another road, another entrance to the park. So we did another stop on our way to our campsite. This is the Highland Backpacking Trail, and we just saw a beaver walking across the road. So here's the trail map. So right now we're around here in the parking lot, and you would go this way around this provoking lake. You can come back that way again or do the longer loop that comes all the way down here. And that one should be 35 kilometers. This is the trailhead. Again, another map. And there's the lake. Let's see, we're just, oh, there's a little small trail here that takes you to the lake. Yeah. So another day, I might come back and who knows, do one of these backpacking trails. This particular trip is just I'm here with my partner, and basically we just came for a little, regular camping with the car. All right, so on to our campsite now. And by the way, the bugs are terrible.
So we just arrived at the check-in point for the campsite.
Registration office.
And they have some wood as well there for the fire later. And Julian is going to get all that.
So we just got here. This is our site. We're gonna start setting up. It's pretty wooded. Yeah, it's all pine forest. A lot of pine trees here. So we're gonna set up our tent, I think, on this side. I want the door facing out, and that's why I turned it around, right? Just a tip for some of you. You put your ground sheet, your tent footprint, underneath your tent. It has to be smaller than the outline of your tent. So if it starts to rain, water's not gonna run down the side of the tent and collect underneath between the tarp and the floor of the tent. If that happens, you're gonna have a lake underneath, in between your tent and the tarp. What you want to do is that the water is going to run onto the ground and dissipate on the earth. That's why you gotta fold it to size.
I think this one is more soft than this one.
No, they're both soft. If you feel like you're in a waterbed, then you can use this too to pump a little.
Oh, two will be nice.
People use two. That's a double bed if you want, like a.
No tent.
Dying, I guess.
I can't sleep already.
It's too hot to sleep here. So guys, for all those guys that like to go car camping and you're able to bring a lot of stuff because you have a car, of course. I like to bring this Jackery Explorer 300, and if you got to charge your phones, your camera equipment, drones, everything's electronic these days, GoPros, whatever it is, it comes in very handy. So if you also pair it up with a solar panel, they sell solar panels for it, you can go indefinitely. You can go on a canoe trip or not really backpacking, but whenever you're able to carry extra weight. And as you can see, it's got two USB-A ports, it's got a USB-C port, it's got two regular household current AC power ports, a cigarette lighter port here, and an input to charge it. So this one right now is 100%, and it probably will give you about 4 hours straight power, like if you're drawing power from it, not to charge but for other purposes. All right, so dinner time. You've seen this in my other videos. It's a Coleman Feather 400 stove. So it uses naphtha gas, very useful stove, works in the winter, no problem. And you make your own pressure by pumping this little plunger on the side. So right now I gotta fill it up because my gas level is kind of low. Again, naphtha gas is basically white gas or camping gas. You can buy it anywhere. And it's filling up the little tank. Back in the old days, this was a very popular canoeing stove. I used to use it also backpacking about 25 years ago, winter, summer, and it still works. It's a great stove. So, like I said, there's no need to carry empty isobutane tanks around till the end of your trip. Just carry a bottle of fuel and you fill it up. All right, once it's full, you give it around 30 pumps, unscrew it and pump it. So this makes the pressure. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. All right. The way it works, I also explained in my previous videos, it's got a little tube that goes across and it feeds underneath into the burner. So when you open this lever here, you light it up, the flame starts to heat up and gasify the fuel across the tube, this tube here. So it becomes like an aerosol when it comes out and you get a nice blue flame, a strong blue flame. Yeah, so we brought some rice and beans. Hey, we didn't bring any adult beverages, eh?
No.
Uh-oh. Water will do. Well, good morning there. It's the second day. Just got up around 5:30 a.m. at the moment, and we're just here checking out Mule Lake. Check out all the mist coming off the lake. Temperature at the moment, it's 5 degrees Celsius. Again, it's not usual weather or temperature for this time of the year. It's currently June the 8th. But again, this is Canada. Anything can happen here. Nearly there. Oh, it's coming out of the ground. I think we can put that also. Over. I'll put it all in a wrap. Alright, breakfast almost done. Here's my toast. Check out coffee, eggs, tomato, and sausage. And perfect bread. All right. That's it. The kitchen's closed for this morning. Someone's having their breakfast already. Somebody told me once in another video, does your wife eat? Do you feed her or something? This proof, yeah, she does eat. Okay. Oh, nice. Smoked human. Tasty treat for bears. You like my walking stick? It's also to catch my food. It doubles as a spear. Okay. Woo. Yeah! Here, the washrooms. And like most provincial parks, and over that way is all wilderness. Yeah, so like most provincial parks, they have something called a comfort station in the middle of all these campgrounds, and you have showers and flush toilets, and usually there's a little playground for kids. Well, time has come. We have to pack up our campsite, put away the tent, and we're gonna be doing some canoeing soon. We left the canoe at the water's edge on Lake of Two Rivers. So yeah, we're gonna start putting away the tent. I'm going to show you a view of Muir Lake from this campsite. Someone just cleared out. Maybe next time I come here I might bring my kayak, my inflatable kayak. But this time I didn't. Either way, I rented a canoe, as I said earlier, and we're on our way now to do a little canoeing. Alright, so come along, let's go. And we're gonna drive to our canoe down at the other lake, Lake of Two Rivers. Today's menu: sausage, lamb, lots of mustard, wrap. Let's see. Wrap. Let's see this. Good. Good. Yep. Okay, don't lose the paddle. No. Okay, you go that side. guys, we reached the end of our trip this weekend. We got to get back home and work tomorrow. Still have another about 3 hours drive back. So I hope you liked the video. You had fun watching us do crazy things. We wish you could do more stuff, but we didn't have time to do it. The mosquitoes are attacking her. There's mosquitoes everywhere. Anyway, yeah, there was a lot of mosquitoes this weekend. Anyway, well, hope you had fun, like I said, and if you did, please give me a little like and subscribe down below, and we'll see you next time. Now it's ice cream time. What do you think?
This is huge.
It's not so much.
No.
She has a big appetite.